Now last video I had explained about how to go through the transfer function, frequency control and the PI controller. Here now see there is frequency and voltage controller. Plus minus 3% is frequency variation, plus minus 10% for low voltage, and plus minus 5% is for high voltage variation there. Voltage mostly change in the voltage. The model controller, in model controller is if sinusoidal frequency control machines are there, mostly we are getting the sinusoidal frequency control machines. The supply frequency changes. In India and Arab it is 50 Hz and in USA, Canada 60 Hz. Now here in transfer functions we are using K1, K2, that is nothing but the K1, K2 are the constants. Ks is the pressure control. R, it is shown here R, that is nothing but drop value or regulation of the speed governor. Now here proportional integral controller block diagram has been given here. So here in this block diagram, just see here we can say here is the plant 1 and plant 2. So here see in plant 1 and plant 2 input and output. So here in this plant we have to control the generation. Second, again by plant 2 we have to control, here we have to control the speed and given this feedback to the input side. Same way here, see here. Now these are the signal generators. Again same block diagram is reduced in this form. So a combination of these two we got 1 upon 2 Hs plus D, and feedback has been Ki upon S plus R and 1 upon 1 plus ST G 1 plus ST R. So here is nothing but these are nothing but the signal generators for integral control. This if you solve we are getting the negative, that is nothing but reverse or generation. Negative we are getting, that is nothing but decrease in the integral control. So this decrease in the integral control if we solve, here delta Ws we are getting minus delta PLS upon S into TS. TS is nothing but the time for the step changes. Whenever time changes we are getting this in change. Next, if you solve these full block diagrams we are getting in this form delta Fs upon minus delta PLS. PLS is nothing but the power with respect to the frequency, here change in the frequency. So S KPS into 1 plus STG into 1 plus STTR upon S into 1 plus STPS 1 plus STG 1 plus STTR plus KPS into K1 plus S upon R. So here if we consider the output is, this is 0, nothing, an integral output is 0, the speed and the reference is 0 and derivation is 0. If we substitute 0 then we are getting the supplementary control of this action and primary speed control action we are getting. It comes into effect only after primary control has stabilized system frequency. This primary control which stabilize the frequency control and with the speed regulation control has been adjusted here in this block diagram. Now next one is mathematical model of ALFC, all load frequency control. See here in this it is given, see the input governor, turbine is there, governor, then turbine, and then generated load system. See here, see whatever load requirement is there, see here this generation system which is connected to the generation of the load. See whatever generation is there which is applied to the load, which is given to the load. See, our load should be satisfied. The load requirement should satisfy. If it is not, some voltage drop will be there, that again given to the input side reference. That is nothing but again feedback backup is given to here to the input error. So here we are getting some errors can be minimized and given to the load. So again same diagram has been reduced. The steam, here is the steam plant which is which runs the turbine, and turbine gets the speed, and that speed again given to the reference point, and at the end we are getting the output at this reference point. Here is the speed regulation, speed has been adjusted. So this is nothing but the block diagram of the governor system with the drop. Now governor model, same model has been shown here. See here in this there is delta WS input kg upon S, one plant, and then here it is given the feedback through this. So this is nothing but the drop. Same system can be minimized here. See 1 upon R, then 1 upon 1 plus S upon 1 kgr. This is nothing but integral of the above system. So again the combination of these two we are getting this can be solved as into 1 upon kgr. So 1 upon 1 plus stg. So here this is nothing but the reference point. So here we are at the end, if we solve this we are getting Tg is Tg, this Tg is nothing but 1 upon k agr. And model governor is Tg is nothing but the governor time constant, kg grow up hydraulic amplifier, and R is nothing but the speed regulation.